Financial security requires constant vigilance, especially when digital threats, phishing schemes, and fraudulent communications attempt to target banking customers. Understanding how these cyber threats operate is the first line of defense in keeping personal assets, confidential records, and sensitive banking data completely secure from malicious actors. Phishing attempts often manifest as unexpected emails, deceptive text messages, or fraudulent phone calls designed to mimic official communications from financial institutions like TotalBank. These malicious messages frequently employ high-pressure tactics, claiming that an account has been compromised, a transaction requires immediate verification, or an online profile is about to be suspended. The primary objective of these fraudulent campaigns is to manipulate individuals into disclosing sensitive information, such as online banking usernames, secure passwords, personal identification numbers, social security numbers, or full account details. Scammers frequently use spoofed phone numbers and cloned websites that look remarkably authentic to trick users into lowering their guard and surrendering valuable security credentials. Recognizing the specific warning signs of a phishing attack can prevent major financial loss and severe identity theft. Common red flags include urgent demands for immediate action, spelling and grammatical errors within messages, suspicious sender addresses, and requests to click external hyperlinks or download unverified attachments. Legitimate financial institutions will never contact customers via phone, email, or text message to request confidential information like passwords, full account numbers, or authentication codes. Immediate action is critical if there is any suspicion that personal credentials have been exposed or that an unauthorized transaction has taken place on an account. The first step involves halting all communication with the suspected fraudulent source, avoiding any further clicks on links, and refusing to provide any additional verification codes or personal details. Quickly reviewing recent account statements and online transaction histories helps identify unauthorized charges, anomalous transfers, or unfamiliar account modifications. Documenting every detail of the suspicious interaction, including screenshots of deceptive messages, phone logs, or email headers, provides crucial evidence for subsequent investigations. Contacting the official customer support channels of the institution immediately allows security specialists to secure the affected profile and prevent further unauthorized access. When reaching out, it is vital to use verified contact numbers found on official banking statements or the back of a debit card, rather than relying on phone numbers provided within suspicious messages. Reporting the incident to the bank's fraud department triggers internal security protocols, which may include freezing compromised cards, updating online banking credentials, and monitoring accounts for unusual activity. Financial institutions rely heavily on customer reports to track emerging cyber threat trends, block malicious IP addresses, and warn other users about active phishing campaigns targeting their platform. Victims of severe phishing attacks or identity theft should also consider expanding their reporting to external protective organizations and consumer protection agencies. Filing reports with entities like the Federal Trade Commission helps law enforcement track down cybercriminals and adds an extra layer of official documentation regarding the security breach. Contacting major credit bureaus to place a temporary fraud alert or a security freeze on credit reports prevents unauthorized parties from opening new lines of credit using stolen personal information. Monitoring credit reports regularly ensures that any secondary attempts at identity theft are caught and neutralized before causing long-term financial damage. Strengthening digital hygiene habits drastically reduces future vulnerability to phishing attempts and online fraud schemes. Best practices include utilizing strong, unique passwords for every online account, enabling multi-factor authentication wherever available, and avoiding public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive financial transactions. Consistently checking account alerts and setting up real-time transaction notifications ensures that any unusual account activity is flagged instantly, allowing for rapid intervention. Maintaining updated operating systems, secure web browsers, and robust antivirus software on all personal devices provides an additional technical shield against malware and credential harvesting tools. Staying informed about evolving cyber threat tactics empowers users to navigate the digital banking landscape with confidence and resilience. Remaining cautious, verifying communications independently, and acting swiftly at the first sign of trouble form an unbreakable barrier against modern financial fraud.